We're playing Roblox Princess Tycoon. I'm currently playing as Glitter, and I just received my kitty claws. My next purchase is the Princess Gatling gun. However, I keep getting killed by Cotton, who seems to have formed some type of Axis alliance with Sunshine. I've since entered negotiations with Angel and Friday to see if we can reach some type of alliance agreement.
Is that Grimace Shake?
No, they stole our kids. I mean, who does that? Have you ever stolen anyone's children? Huh? Have you? I mean, you look like you...
Yes, sir.
No!